Most AI tools I try are uninstalled within a week. I try a lot of them and almost nothing survives. These 5 did. 3 of them are free and I would pay for each one the day they start charging. The other 2 take my card every month. And number 1 is not a chatbot and not a coding tool. It wrote most of this script. Number 5 is a tie, and I refuse to apologize for it. LM Studio and Ollama, the 2 easiest ways to run open models on your own hardware. This is the slot that costs me $0. I have always been an Ollama guy. 1 install, 1 command, and your other apps can talk straight to your local model. They share a slot because they do one job, local models. But LM Studio keeps winning me over. Full desktop app, browse models, download them, chat, and it runs 2 engines under the hood, Apple's MLX and Llama CPP. For development, I still lean Ollama. Ask me again in 6 months. And no, number 1 is not a model you run locally. Number 4, Pencil. A design tool that lives in your code editor and saves designs as files in your Git repo. It is free right now. Get in while that lasts. The reason it made this list is the MCP server. That server lets Claude open, read, and edit real design files. I point Claude code at a canvas and it designs layouts, variables, themes. Watching Claude take a screenshot of its own layout, notice the spacing is wrong and fix it. Sold me on the whole idea. Number 3 is the one that replaced a tool you probably still use. Number 3, Hermes Agent, the open source personal agent from News Research. It lives in your chat apps, Telegram, Discord, even your terminal. 1 agent, 1 memory, and it runs scheduled jobs and grows its own skills the longer you use it. I was early on OpenClaw, ran it a long time. I switched to Hermes a while back, and I am not going back. It is more stable, easier to maintain, and just sharper at handling real work. I am clearly not the only one. The repo has passed 200,000 stars on GitHub. It is MIT licensed and free, it talks to more than 300 models, and it ships a 1-command migration that pulls your keys, skills, and memory straight out of an OpenClaw install. Number 2. You saw this coming. Claude Code, with Claude Desktop next to it, and 1 Claude subscription covers both, starting at $20 a month. I came here from Cursor, I keep leaving, and I keep coming back. It runs in the terminal, in a desktop app, on the web, and inside your IDE, and 1 session can move between all of them. And Claude Desktop stopped being just a chat window. Cowork lets Claude work inside your local files and apps like a desktop coworker, and it hands back a finished deliverable. It is still a research preview, and it already changed how I work. So that is number 2, and the whole point of it is 1 subscription that follows me everywhere. The terminal, the desktop, the web, and my phone, all 1 session. That is the second of the 2 tools I actually pay for. The one at the very top I would pay double for. And number 1. I know it is the cliche pick, but Wispr Flow earned it. $15 a month for voice dictation that actually understands how people talk. You ramble, it writes clean text with the right formatting, no filler words, in any app. And I can prove I actually use it. This is my actual Flow dashboard, no edits, 343,000 words dictated. Flow calls it 3 books, it puts me in the top 0.3% of everyone who uses it, and I am on a 70-day streak. Most of what you have ever read from me started as me talking to my computer. And it is on your phone now. On iPhone, it is a keyboard, and the action button can start dictation anywhere. On Android, it is a floating bubble that sits on top of your normal keyboard, and it embarrasses Android's built-in speech-to-text. Right now, the Android app is free with unlimited words. So that is the 5. Every one of them earns its spot every single day, and this list came from what I actually reach for, not what sounds good. So here's my question. What is the 1 tool you would put up against any of these? Tell me in the comments. I read all of them, and the best answer probably ends up in a future video. Everything here is linked below. The Wispr Flow link is an invite link, so if you use it, we both get a month of Pro free.